You know, there are birds that can talk, like the parrot can talk. So this is an Origami Flapping Bird. He can't talk, but he can flap his wings and he can fly. Bye, birdie. See you later. Just hold him right here at the base of his neck and pull his tail gently, and he will flap his wings. If you have a hard time getting him to do that, just curl his wings down a little bit, and he'll flap for you. One of my favorite origami toys. Bye, birdie. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
In All God's Creatures Camp, this is what we've made. A slug, a drawing of a slug, a sculpture of a slug, a drawing of an ant, a sculpture of an ant, a drawing of a butterfly, a sculpture of a butterfly, a drawing of a bee, a sculpture of a bee, a drawing of a frog, a sculpture of a frog, and a bunch of jumping origami frogs.
I've cut this. I'm going to make how to fold an origami flapping bird. So I've already taken my square, I've taken my rectangle piece of paper, and I folded it in half, and I cut the end off like I did for the last origami bird. So I'm now at this point, how to fold an origami bird. Flapping bird. It's going to flap his wings. So that's the first step. We went from the square and folded it in half diagonally. So if you have origami paper, that works better than this, but I don't have any origami paper right now. So I have this blue, and it's an Astrobright paper, and I buy it at Walmart. Open this. We're going to fold it in half this way to make a rectangle instead of a triangle. Bring that down. Match the corners first. Match the corners first before you crease. That's important. So now I have a rectangle. Open it. And I'm going to go from this corner. I'm going to go from this corner over to that corner. When you open it, you'll have a cross in the middle, an X in the center. Right here you do have a spinning top. Flip it over and fold it this way. Popping it this way. Now we can take these two on this side, pop it in the middle, and bring these two together. So here's a triangle up here and a triangle down there, and you can see right in the center when I bring these together, you form a triangle. I squash this down. It kind of looks like a Christmas tree now, a triangle. All right. It'll stand up like a Christmas tree. Okay, so it's a triangle and on top of a triangle. You can see that. Try this. So I'm going to take this right here, the top part of the triangle. I'm going to fold it up, and this is going to bend. So this is a complicated fold, not recommended for little ones. Fold that up to line up with that one on that side, and then this to fold up right here, right like that. So we're going to take the whole thing and flip it over. We're going to take this part, flip it back. That's right. Oh, that's going to go back that way. Sorry. So we're going to start that over. So what we did was we took this part right here, and we flipped it back to the left. Now we're going to take this, so we're going to see where my hand is right here? We're going to take this and we're going to bring it up. And when we do that, we're going to take this part of the wing and bring it right straight up. And this part's going to open like it did on the other side, and we need to flatten it so that these two match there, and this matches here like that, and this matches here. Well, this one's tricky. Not recommended for little ones. Not recommended for this. So, I'm sure we left off. We folded, we're going to flip it over like that. So now this opens here. Kind of looks like butterfly wings there. There's a triangle right there. So this part we're going to go up with. And bring that down. Open it. And invert that. So that comes up. Like a neck. And then from here, we're going to take this part and bring that down like a beak. Up, open, press here, and close that part again. So that's the head. We're going to hold it right there and pull the tail. And he flaps his wings. We want our birdie to go the other way, don't we? We want him to flap the other way. So hold him here at the base of his neck. Pull his tail and let him flap away. Bye, birdie. See you later. Don't tell any secrets.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, birdie. Bye, boys and girls. I won't tell your secrets.
You know, there are birds that can talk, like the parrot can talk. So this is an Origami Flapping Bird. He can't talk, but he can flap his wings and he can fly. Bye, birdie. See you later. Just hold him right here at the base of his neck and pull his tail gently, and he will flap his wings. If you have a hard time getting him to do that, just curl his wings down a little bit, and he'll flap for you. One of my favorite origami toys. Bye, birdie. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is our little bluebird, and he has his wings open, and he's flying. And our verse is Ecclesiastes 10:20, chapter 10, verse 20. Do not curse the king, even in your thought. Do not curse the rich, even in your bedroom. For a bird of the air may carry your voice, and a bird in flight may tell the matter. So sometimes people say, a little birdie told me, when it's supposed to be a secret. And sometimes you just never know if you tell somebody else something, or if you say it in confidence, or if you say, it's a secret, I can't tell you, but then you tell it. So that's how things spread. But the Bible says, for a bird of the air may carry your voice, and in flight may tell the matter. Some birds do know how to talk, and some birds do know how to even mimic the voice of somebody. So maybe back in the Bible times, there were birds that can do that. So this is a warning for us not to tell secrets, not to curse the king, not to make fun of people, not to curse people that are above us, and to be respectful of people. It's because you just never know when your thoughts might get carried away in the air and come back to the person that you're making fun of or cursing. So that's our verse for tonight. Hope you liked the video. God bless you. Have a great night.
Bye-bye. Bye, little birdie. Bye, little bluebird, flying away. Bye, little bluebird. Please like and share and subscribe. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.